This car will destroy everything in its path. No compromise, no apologies. The Dodge Demon wasn't built to compete. It was built to intimidate. Wide body stance, drag tires from the factory, hood scoop inhaling everything around it. At idle, it doesn't purr. It warns. Under the hood, 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8. 808 horsepower on pump gas. 840 horsepower on race fuel. 770 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 at 2.3 seconds. Quarter mile, 9.65 seconds at 140 miles per hour. This isn't hyperbole. It's illegal in spirit. The NHRA banned it for being too violent. Launch control, factory trans brake. Hold the brake, floor the gas. Release, front wheels lift. Smoke curls from the rear tires. You're not racing, you're surviving. Wheelie certified from the factory. Street legal drag radials. Interior stripped down. Seats, sound insulation, anything that slowed it down, gone. If you wanted them back, they sold it to you in a crate. This car doesn't care about comfort. It cares about one thing, winning. The sound? Supercharger screaming over raw V8 thunder, metal ripping through the air. When it launches, people don't cheer. They step back. Other cars revving down. The Demon threatens. It doesn't compete. It dominates. At night, under streetlights, it doesn't look fast. It looks dangerous. It looks unstoppable. In a world moving toward quiet screens, electric speed, Dodge chose fuel, rubber, and bad decisions. Raw excess, no filters, no safety net. This car doesn't ask if it's responsible. It asks if you're ready. The Dodge Demon is not for everyone. And that's the point. It's loud. It's reckless. It's unnecessary. And that's why legends remember it. Because legends aren't built to be sensible. They're built to be feared. The Dodge Demon was never just a car. It was a warning. Some warnings are meant to be ignored. 808 HP, street legal. This car will destroy everything in its path. Would you dare drive it or step back? Comment below your favorite car and I'll make sure to make video. Thanks for watching. Take care of yourself.